how should we think about ultimate, like, the market reach you guys can have? Where do you see this going? I think is this a billion-dollar product in your views?
Yes, we believe it is. And I think, look, pharma landscape, especially on the biotech marketing, has changed significantly over the past 5 years. I worked at Pfizer where you had a 5,000 person sales force, and every single year you saw that go down and down and down. And, COVID certainly was the nail in the coffin on that one. The reach that you can get through these digital programs is significant and it's effective. And using that to sort of amplify the voice that you see of a smaller but more targeted representative field force, that's how you can reach tens of thousands of physicians. I mentioned that's 40,000 physicians. That's 40,000 physicians this year. We'll continue to evolve that landscape and go after where we see the opportunity. Guidelines, I think, are another, like you said, they're another way of getting the message out there. But we have a lot of different channels that we can reach out and get our message out there and really be effective without necessarily having to go to the pharma mindset of 15 years ago with a 5,000 primary care sales force.
Okay, and then a few months ago you monetized your European royalties. You cleaned up the balance sheet. Walk us through the terms of that agreement and why was that important?
Cleanup is an understatement. So we had, I would say, an overhang on the company of a senior royalty agreement that we wanted to address and we wanted to kind of get cleaned up, for lack of a better word. What we did was we monetized the European royalty stream with our partner Daiichi Sankyo for $305 million and negotiated an early discounted termination of our existing agreement. I want to be very clear. This was not just a swap of one senior secured royalty deal for another. This, in my mind, is how the new deal is how a royalty deal should be done. It's unsecured. There's no security interest in the company. There's no recourse on it. It was a true royalty sale at a capped amount. So for $305 million, they will receive the royalty stream until they get back. I think it's 516. It's 1.7 times their investment.